Welcome to RTH Doll Fashion, and today we have another unboxing video of a Creepiteria Draculaura doll. So, we're gonna examine the box for a moment. So we already see the doll through the box. She looks very pretty, and you see there's a Monster High logo right here, and then there's a picture of her, and then it says Draculaura, daughter of the Dracula, and then it says Creepiteria, which is like the doll line, right? Let us turn it around, and then it shows two other dolls that are actually part of this line, and they have little lunch trays just like her. And it says some stuff down here. The only thing scarier than eating lunch in the Creepiteria is remembering that you left your own lunch on the kitchen counter at home. Oh, they're such jokesters. And here it has the Monster High motto almost. Be yourself, be unique, be a monster. And then now we could just open up the box. Let us begin right here. Okay. And we can cut these things next to her feet right here. Shoes. Okay. Okay, so she's still stuck right here. Rip this off so I don't have to cut any of her hair off, right? Okay, now we're just going to take these rubber bands off, and we're going to take off her lunch tray. It's covered up with some plastic. We take her little cup off, and just see she has a sandwich right here. So put that right there. Put her cup back. Then here we are. Examine her. Okay. So let's see, she has her pink skin as usual, right? Her eyes are nice and purple with a little tint of pink. She has yellow makeup on. She also has her signature heart, right? And then you can see her fangs on her lips. And you can see, just like every other Monster High doll, she has full articulation, right? Knees, arms, kind of hips right there, right? And then her head can move too. Pretty much everything on her is removable, from her shoes, right, to pretty much everything else. Her hair, as we can see, has these two little ponytails sticking out in the top. Very cute. And her hair is black and pink as usual as well. So I think these are bangs right here. And come out and go back in. Very nice. Now we're going to take a little bit of a closer look. So we see that she doesn't have earring holes right here. They're just kind of like little dots, right? She has vampire ears pointed, right? She has a necklace. Oh, I forgot to cut this rubber band off. Let me cut it. Okay. This necklace thing, very removable, right? It's kind of like a collar. She has a little bracelet. You have to take off her hand to take the bracelet on and off. And you can see she's wearing these lips with fangs on her skirt. It's pink and it has like a yellow trimming. And she has this black shirt with pink, two different colored pinks bats on them. Let's see if her clothes is Velcro. So we see her skirt is not Velcro, but her shirt is Velcro. On this side, her bracelets, there's a pink one. It looks kind of like this droopy thing. Very cool. And she has another yellow bracelet just like she has on the other side. Her shoes, let's take a look. So she has these, it's pink, all pink, and it has these hearts and the droopy things like her bracelet up here. If you can look. And then there's hearts, and it's open toe right there. It kind of covers it up. Very cool high heels. Like every Monster High doll, they have to wear high heels because all their feet are bent and have this bending. And right here she has her lunch, right? Because this is Creepiteria, so like it's cafeteria for them. And you can see she has this, I think it's a grilled cheese actually, with wings and shaped as a heart. Very cute. And you can make her hold it in her hand and stuff. Very nice. She has this cup. I don't know, it's supposed to be in it. Water, probably. Yes, and she can hold it in her hands like this when she's standing up, right? Have her laying down, and then this is her lunch tray. It's like a pink coffin shaped, and you can see there's like a side for her lunch and a side for her cup. Just like we remember on the box, there was a part where you can see the other two dolls had the same exact coffin shaped lunch tray. Now time for the comparison. Right here we have a Draculaura doll that we modified just a bit, cutting the hair and making her own clothes, right? Still, Draculaura is a part of her, so we are just gonna see the difference. Her skin is a bit purpler, probably because of Rebecca. She's like shiny, right? So she's pink. They're very similar faces. She just looks a bit happier, and like her nose is kind of turned up a little bit. She obviously has these little bolts on her head because she's mixed with a robot, but they do have very similar ears. If we can look right here, hers are just a bit pointier actually, and she has earring holes too. Their lips, they both have fangs, right? Because they are vampire mix. And yeah, now let's compare her to another doll. Here I have an Anna doll from the same year, actually 2013, and just like her, she's fully articulated, right? So she can bend everything, except that Monster High dolls can't bend their feet, and Anna actually can bend her feet. She can bend her hips and her arms, her head, everything moves. All we can see is that Anna's not Monster High, so she doesn't look a lot like her, but you can see that they are close in height, except that Monster High dolls are shorter than other dolls. Anna's about like an inch maybe taller than this Draculaura doll. So yeah. So before I say goodbye, I'm going to say that we actually are going to be rerouting and repainting this doll in a little bit once all the other materials come. And we will be posting a video, so like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at RTH Doll Fashion. And don't forget to check out our website and buy some clothes for your favorite doll sizes.